Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, grade 5. Please open your English books and open page number 8. Yesterday we studied about a biography and it was about a female legend. Who was that legend? That legend was the mother of nation and her name was Fatima Jinnah. Now let's do some questions. Vocabulary. Look on your books. Choose a suitable word from the box to complete each sentence. Here are some words given. You have to choose each of the word to fill in the sentences 1 to 8 given below. And you have to solve this on book. Now let's come to speaking and listening part. You have to skip this part as we will do this later in our class. Now come to page number 9. Language. Simple past tense. Today we will study about simple past tense. What is simple past tense? Many of the verbs in the report on Fatima Jinnah are in simple past tense. For example, she joined the Bandra convent in Bombay in 1902. To make a sentence into a simple past tense, you have to write ed with the verb. When you write ed with the verb, then it turns into a simple past tense. Question number 1 is, find the simple past tense of these verbs in the report. You have to write simple past tense of these sentences on your notebook. Question number 2. Choose 3 of the verbs, write each one in a sentence of your own. You have to choose any 3 verbs from the biography given and then you have to use them in your own sentences. Question number 3. Write simple past tense of the irregular verbs in the cloud. Now, here are some words given in a cloud which are write, shut, fight, tell, hear, speak, think, drink, hide, put, sleep. For example, bring would be brought. You all have to write simple past tenses of these words given in the cloud on your notebook. Let's come to the purple box on page number 9. Remember, regular verbs add ed to the root to make the simple past tense. Open. To make open into a simple past tense, we would add ed. So, she opened a dental clinic in Bombay. Many verbs are irregular and form their past tenses in a different way. All verbs are not the same. You cannot turn all verbs into a simple past tense by adding ed. Some are very different. For example, go. If you want to write go into a simple past tense, we would write went. She went to live with her brother. In this way, you have to solve question number 3. Question number 4. Complete these sentences with the simple past form of the verb in brackets. Now, there are some words given from question 1 to 8 in front of the sentences. You have to turn these words into simple past tense. And then you have to write them in the blanks given from 1 to 8. And you have to solve this question on book. That's all for today. Thank you.